I make a list, often a mind map actually, and I just write down all of the topics that I'm obsessed with, all the thoughts that I'm thinking at that moment, just everything that's holding my attention, that I'm talking to friends and family about. Then I make a list of resources I have, like whose house I can shoot in, whose apartment I can shoot in, and any unusual type props or cool resources that I can put to use. In my book, I talk about how, if your uncle has had a midlife crisis and bought a Corvette and he would let you shoot with that, then you put that on the list. But it's anything that's available to you for free or really easy, cheap, that you could use in your story. Another thing that I list is the actors that are available to me at that time. If you have someone in your life who's really interesting, really charismatic, really great on camera, it's not a bad idea to just come up with a story that's centered around them. Let them be your muse. And of course, you need to, if you're shooting the way I like to shoot, you need to tailor your script to a very low budget shoot. So maybe a minimum of locations, maybe a minimum of actors, nothing fancy that's going to be expensive to shoot. And so then when I think about all of these things, I think about what conflict could I create between a character and the world around them, or between two characters, that will enable me to talk about and explore all of those topics I listed that I'm obsessed with, that I want to talk about. And so far, I feel like it's worked for me. It enables me to explore the things I'm really interested in. It enables me to document certain obsessions I've had in my life. And it ends up kind of becoming like a record of your own life. There's something that Sofia Coppola has said that I so agree with, and I think it's such a smart observation. She said that her favorite movies are the ones that could only have been made by that person. And so I try to think about that, like, what's the movie only I could make? And you don't even have to have what looks like an extraordinary life from the outside to capture interesting drama and tell an interesting story based on your life.